This is the DW6000 series straight stand. I've had this stand for more than 5 years, taken it on tours, thrown it in road cases, and I have had zero issues whatsoever with this guy. It has gotten beaten up. I've had it in less than ideal situations where it could have broken, and not once have I had it break at all. Even this plastic handle here that they have on it has not broken at all. It's got a toothless tilter right here, and it's got a really cool feature right here where if you loosen this this kind of tension rod looking guy and you spin it up, you can actually get the bottom of the cymbal seat here, so this guy can actually come up to where you can pull this wing nut and kind of screw it down. Now, quick note, I do have secondhand felts on here because I've used it so much. This thing has been used so much and it's gone through thick and thin with me. Now, it does have a memory lock here and it does have a memory lock on the next part here, and because it's a straight stand, this one doesn't have the boom, but you can raise it and it gets real tall. Oop, took it apart there. Gets real tall. So check that out. Boom, that guy is super tall right here right now. And when you collapse it, it gets really small. But the best part about the flat base hardware, yes, it's flat down here. And you can actually get it to where it inverts a little bit and even gives you more height. There's this plastic thing you can take off and you can actually get these things to be more like a traditional stand leg. Not super tall, but a little bit more like traditional. But if you pull up on this thing weighs nothing. It is so light, you could toss it around no problem. You don't have to worry about this thing breaking because it's made to last, and I can say that because I've had it for 5 years and used it like crazy. But it's super light and it's not going to break your back. So if you're in the market for a straight stand that is lightweight, but you need it to be able to get tall and you need it to hold heavy cymbals, this used to be my ride cymbal holder, I would highly recommend this guy. It's phenomenal. Highly recommend this. Very good.